This 65 Corvette is a rally red factory air car that's been restored as needed. It has plenty of power thanks to 327 cubic inches of Chevrolet small block. And last but certainly not least, thanks to a tough 4-speed and the choice of hardtop or soft top, it's poised to provide an awesome driving experience. This impressive roadster is a lust-worthy rendition of a timeless American classic. The car's correct rally red 2-stage is, despite a bit of graceful aging, still capable of drawing the most discerning eye. Under that vivid pigment, great fit and finish is aligned to better than factory standards. Slip into the Stingray's serene interior and settle on clean vinyl buckets that are dressed in factory lap belts. A body-matched dash founds an array of black-trimmed gauges next to controls for factory air conditioning and a correct Delco radio. A shallow console frames a familiar chrome shifter, and a telescopic steering wheel spins a sporty satin spoke wheel. Tilt this Corvette's hood and you'll find 327 cubic inches of correct Chevrolet small block. One of the most powerful naturally aspirated V8s of its day, this impressive mill turns a solid 350 horsepower. With impressive power, a sculpted body, and a stylish interior, this solid sports car is an attractive, well-rounded classic. And best of all, being a Corvette, its appeal is nearly universal. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.